Hello and welcome to this product introduction. I'm Johan Boquist, Senior Product Manager for Radio at LAWO. Diamond is our latest development and product added to the LAWO radio portfolio. We have listened carefully to the market and with our R&D team designed a fully modular IP broadcast console, applicable for many different live broadcast applications. In Diamond, we have combined all the experience gained in 50 years of developing radio consoles together with our customers. In this new console, we have integrated components from our audio production portfolio and the MC2 consoles. This guarantees proven premium parts and components, enables a higher level of support, and is truly more sustainable. It also allows us to rework the workflow and the design for improved user experience and consistency across the entire LAWO product portfolio. Diamond's reduced dimensions and additional surface keys, plus its high-density modular design, makes it especially well-suited to many radio, TV, and MCR applications. It's optimized for workflows and setups in a self-op studio, production studio, remote productions, editorial workspaces, and OB bands. Diamond simply offers more features on a small footprint. This gemstone can literally grow and shrink in any dimension. We have developed 9 different modules that can be combined in almost any layout and be placed exactly where you want them for maximum workflow efficiency. Let's have a look at some typical combinations for radio applications. Here we have a 12-fader setup, which is a typical talk radio studio combination. Here we also see a 12-fader setup, but this time with extension modules for more production-related workflows. But as said, Diamond can also shrink. Look at this all-in-one 6-fader setup, ideal for small radio studios, production rooms, home studios, or OB vans. The smallest version is a 2-fader console for new studios, editorial office space, podcast studios, or news vehicles. But Diamond can not only shrink, it can also grow to the size of a full-blown production console for large talk radio shows or sport production. As you can see, setup can be as small as 2 faders, and they can grow to large consoles with up to 30 physical faders in a single frame, or 60 faders in multiple frames, plus additional 60 faders in a second layer. Diamond can be deployed either as tabletop or countersunk, or combine the two styles for total flexibility in a dynamic modern studio environment. All the modules are designed for intuitive workflows with an uncluttered look. Diamond features touch-sensitive motorized faders, LED keys and buttons with customized functions and labels, touch-sensitive rotaries with color-guided LED rings, and vibrant full-color displays with support for real-time information such as a ppm meter. The design and the graphical elements and workflow principles are developed by our cross-functional design team using LUX, the LAWO Unified Experience Design System. Diamond also opens up complete new levels of flexibility and scalability, as the control surface communicates natively via IP to the core. The LAWO Power Core, our IP-native mixing engine and I/O device, may be placed in the studio for a direct connection or remotely in a tech room or in a data center. It may even be placed in an entirely separated facility connected via the local area network or even across a wide area network. Let's have a closer look at the different modules. This is a fader module with 4 faders. It features fader displays, multifunctional keys close to the fader, an access key, a context-sensitive section, and 2 multifunctional keys close to the fader. We also have a fader module B, where the fader is positioned closer to the operator and user, with the 2 multifunctional keys and displays above the fader. Then we have the central module, with monitor functions, user and system keys, parameter control, bus assignment, and much more. Existing LAWO radio users will feel comfortable immediately and will recognize the workflow principles when they operate the Diamond console for the first time. We also have a central module which combines two faders with the central module features, but with less multifunctional keys. It's applicable for smaller setups and when space is limited. The combo module also offers an A and B layout with different fader positions. For more production-related applications, we have a rotary extension module that extends the channel strip for instant DSP parameter control and routing per channel. In addition to the rotary extension, we have a key extension module with 64 multifunctional keys. We also have an extension module which combines the rotary and the multifunctional keys and is designed for use in combination with the combo module. Last but not least, we have the virtual extension module. It's a 13-inch multi-touchscreen and mounts directly just above the console frame for an all-in-one design, without the need for any external monitors. The viewing angle can be freely adjusted during operation. This enables the best possible ergonomics and user experience for the operator. The virtual extension enables instant access to information and parameter control for improved production workflows. The user interface is driven by our powerful application Viz tool. It ships with a standard configuration that includes features such as extended channel strips, PPM and/or loudness input and output metering, graphical parameter control for DSP, source assignment and audio routing, configurable timers, on-air and system status, user keys and user labels, snapshot management and user authentication. The virtual extension standard configuration even supports an easy solution for system integration with a broadcast control system such as VSM, or video previews as you can see here as an example. For a truly all-in-one system, codec controls and dial pad can also be integrated. As we all know, music is essential for a radio show. Diamond offers full integration with the majority of the automation systems. Here you can see an example of a rundown integration. Diamond also includes assistive technologies for audio enhancement. These are all features for making the radio on-air operation amazingly easy. Here you see the audio gain, and this is how it works. You press the audio gain key, and then you simply ask your guest what they had for breakfast. After 5 seconds of talking into the microphone, the preamplifier will be set to an optimized level. In addition, the Diamond offers 4 Automix groups for optimized audio leveling. The auto fade features is perfect for music crossfades. And the voiceover function provides an automatic ducking. If your workflow requires more than the standard configuration, no problem. The user interface can be customized to fit any needs using the Viz tool editor and logic engine. The same applies of course also for the surface itself. Any key, logic or function can be customized using the On-Air Designer configuration tool. I would like to highlight 2 additional features being introduced in Diamond: guided workflows and source-specific metadata. Guided workflows are design improvements that we have implemented in the standard configurations. This means, for example, that colors of a state or a function are consistent across all the sections in a user interface, regardless of whether it's a physical control or a virtual element. As an example, here you can see how the blue color represents an EQ parameter control, or yellow for a parameter related to an input section of an audio source. These colors follows regardless the section of the user interface. Source-specific metadata is additional information related to a dedicated audio source, which can be useful for helping the user to take the right decision at the right time during on-air operations. Here you can see an example with icons that nicely present the user with information about what audio source this is. With different icon colors, we can also guide the user to a specific source or destination in the studio, such as a microphone, or a connector, or a DJ turntable. Another example of source-specific metadata is dynamic user labels. Future development can also include duration and title information from an automation system, thumbnails, and selfies of a guest in the studio. There are so many new features in this new Diamond console that will help you to improve your radio workflow. And in the end, will give your audience, the radio listener, a better user and content experience. Enjoy!